We see them on Saturdays. As we go out witnessing in our small numbers, we see the Jehovah's Witnesses, we see the Mormons. But where are the true witnesses of Jehovah? We are there. We are the true witnesses of Jehovah. Cults are evangelizing. They're walking the streets, putting out this false teaching, false salvation. It's no salvation at all. Deceiving many. Where's the church? The church is mostly silent. Let's be honest here tonight. It's not stirring itself. The church is not stirring itself. What is it doing? It's snoring.